You know that feeling when your makeup, inspo, or the idea you have in your head or tutorial you're following looks incredible, but when you finish your makeup look, it just doesn't look the same as the aesthetic that you were aiming for? Or when you see flawless people online with insane makeup and you just can't create the whole image that they have? Even when you're using the exact same products and routine or following their tutorial, I've got the solution to this issue. I've actually been using Glam for a few months now to do my makeup. It takes less than 30 seconds to upload a selfie, put in your features manually. It will generate your ideal products and makeup routine tailored to your individual features, and it also has a color analysis as a bonus, and those cost hundreds of pounds. It's honestly changed and transformed how my makeup looks. It not only gives you your ideal products based on your own features, budget, style, and preferences, it also tells you exactly how to use them in a super aesthetic, pink girly, and user-friendly, easy to use, all levels friendly way. I built it myself for you guys as someone who thinks that makeup should be way less complicated, and I really just wanted to help everyone out there. It's honestly going to save you so much in buying makeup products that you just see advertised online that aren't actually ideal for your face and your features. What I love most is its truly personalized experience and how it tailors everything to your own face, because no two faces are the same. I've seen so many people start using it and they're raving about it too, so don't miss out on Glam. It's one of those products that just helps you feel more put together and more confident in your ideal self, and that confidence will truly shine through. So if you've been looking for a product that actually delivers results, check out Glam. I'll link it in the description for you. Also on my link tree in my profile, so you can check it out at any time. But honestly, if you want to look better than ever, check out Glam.